Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fatahila. My name is 2023-32125. I'm from System Information Big Class. In this video, I will walk you through a simple machine learning project of my practical report using a neural network to predict diabetes. Okay, first thing I do is import the libraries. I imported pandas and numpy, and then we load the dataset from a CSV file named diabetes.csv. And then the separator of this file is a semicolon. Okay, after that, I did dataset.head to show the head of the file, but I put it 520, so it will show all the rows of the file of the data. Okay, right here. I separated the input features and the output label. The class column is our target, and the rest are input features. All values are converted to 32-bit integers. Okay, so for the target, for the features, is all the column except class, and then for the features, it is the class column. Okay, and then I converted it to 32-bit integer data type. Then after that, I check the shape of the input data and count how many samples belong to each class. This gives us an idea of the dataset balance. Okay, so here is the shape. It has 520 rows and 16 columns because we already dropped the class. So from 17 goes to 16. Okay. So after that, I import another library called collections. Okay, it just so to count the data and like that. After this, after that we do train test split. So I import from sklearn, import the model train test split. I split the data into training and testing sets using that library. I allocate 70% of the data for training and 30% for testing. Okay, here 0.3 equals 30%, and that means 30% of the data will be the training or the test sets. After that, I use MLP classifier from scikit-learn to create a neural network model. The model has three hidden layers with 150, 100, and 50 neurons. I train it with a maximum of 450 iterations. Okay, and then I feed the data to the model, xtrain, ytrain, and here is the model. And then after that, I do model evaluation. After training, I evaluate the model on both training and test using accuracy. Okay, I import accuracy score, and this will test our model accuracy, and the output is right here, close to 100, close to 1, I mean. So that's a good model. After that, I test the model with two custom samples to see if it can predict the diabetes. So we predict on new data. As the example number one, with all the 16 columns, and data number two, all the 16 columns with different values of each other. And then the output is right here. The first data uh, uh, will not have diabetes, and the second example will have diabetes. After that is hyperparameter tuning with grid search. I apply grid search CV to find the best combination of hyperparameters such as activation function, solver, and learning rate. It's all the grid search CV library, all the parameter and the grid search, and then I feed the data to the grid search model, and then finally I print the best score and the best model configuration found by grid search. This best score is 0.95 and the best parameter is right here. Okay, so that's it, my practical report for neural network. That's the complete workflow from data prep, model training, evaluation, and optimization using neural networks in scikit-learn. Thank you for watching. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fatahillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.